हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में जिसका नाम है skyline.com, स्काइलन एकेडमी। और न्यू वीडियोस के लिए एंड लेटेस्ट वीडियोस के लिए आप मेरे वेबसाइट पे भी जा सकते हैं जिसका नाम है skyline.com, जहाँ पे आपको डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस रिलेटेड आपको वीडियोस मिलेंगे। हालांकि सेम वीडियोस आप यूट्यूब पे भी देख सकते हैं। सो इफ यू वांट टू रेफर माय वेबसाइट, यू कैन गो टू www.skyline.com, skylen.com. So today we are going to show the monitoring setup, that how we monitor the system and what are the setup activities which are done before we see in monitoring UI. So इस स्क्रीन से आप आई होप कि सबको सब अवेयर होंगे। दिस इज नथिंग बट सॉल्वेंट सेटअप स्क्रीन। लेफ्ट साइड में आपके एक्टिविटीज हैं और राइट साइड में उसके स्टेटस है। सो what we will do, we'll go and check how monitoring setup is done. So monitoring setup से करने से पहले you make sure कि आपने मैनेज सिस्टम कॉन्फ़िगरेशन परफॉर्म किया है पर्टिकुलर सिस्टम का। देन उसके बाद आपको एप्लीकेशन ऑपरेशंस में जाना है। नीचे इसमें मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस आएंगे, एक्सेप्शन मैनेजमेंट, सिस्टम मॉनिटरिंग, एंड यूजर एक्सपीरियंस मॉनिटरिंग एंड इंटीग्रेशन मॉनिटरिंग। सो करंटली हम जो जाएंगे वो सिस्टम मॉनिटरिंग पे क्लिक करेंगे, क्योंकि वी आर गोइंग टू सेट अप अ सिस्टम मॉनिटरिंग। फाइन, ये जीपी लोड होता है। इसके बाद ये डिफरेंट स्टेप्स हैं जो आपको परफॉर्म करना होता है। सो सेकंड एक्टिविटी जो है कॉन्फ़िगर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, इसमें कुछ मैनुअल कुछ ऑटोमेटिक एक्टिविटीज होती हैं जो आपको परफॉर्म करना है एवरी मींस वंस व्हेन यू गो फॉर न्यू कॉन्फ़िगर न्यू इंस्टॉलेशन, not all the time. तो 2.1 is to check the infrastructure preparation and everything. Self checks in solution manager that everything is well done in to progress with manage system configuration and the monitoring setup. This is the automatic activities. Just you have to execute all and it will show the status. Now in 2.2 it is manual activities, so nothing is done as of now. If you keep it performed only, nothing to be done here. In default setting, these are by default settings given by SAP. So if you need as per your requirement, you can do that. So this is global settings. However, you can change global settings as well. So these are options like incidents, notification, and third-party component. If you want to use these are many options you can use. In reporting setting, whenever you open, it will check the BI status and health check whether it is up to date or any action is required here. 2.5 will check here the housekeeping settings are here. In housekeeping settings, it defines that which data will store for how many days, years, or month. Work mode setting, it should be this is the monitoring enable tick. So here all tick means even the planned downtime is available or not available, monitoring will be enabled for system. Because ideally for planned downtime it is not required, so you can untick as well. In 2.7 update content, here you have to update the MAI content, and for that you have to download from SAP portal. Once you download, and you have to upload whenever new content is available to download. So it comes every 2 months. So it takes a bit time because it refreshes whatever the initial or existing content is available here. It takes some time to load that. So let's wait until it loads. In 3.0, it means in third step, you will get some users created here. So these are the standard user which is having the access of system monitoring. So these are the standard user. If you want to use, if you want to create it, you can create. Benefit of this will that if new user comes and who wants to access only the system monitoring, not any other functionality, so you can make a copy of this user and provide to him. So that would be one part. Fourth step is template maintenance. Here I'm not authorized to maintain the template here, but here this option comes for technical monitoring template maintenance. Here you will get different template based on your requirement as well as from SAP all content or SAP template, and there would be some technical template created in your organization. Just to have to create and customize it, and those templates will be used to maintain or monitor the system. So I'll go to next. In define scope, you can see check the systems from as example. Just these are the technical systems, technical scenarios, host and databases. So what I'll do is I'll just add systems, two systems. I'll add S4H and A4H, and I select both of them and go to next. Here it will show that status of the monitoring, that what is done, what is not done. Here you can see the template as well. So here you can see the this is ABAP. For ABAP, these are the templates we have assigned here, like for SAP basis 740. So here the SAP Z, SAP system, SAP 7.10 and higher. In the same way, you have there are many of the other template assigned for HANA DB, for HANA template, for databases, for different template, for host, the different templates, for instances, the different templates. So these are the options which is already assigned. For S4 is a different template. So all templates are assigned here, and just once you click on this one, select all and apply and activate. So that will, once you apply and activate, it will give this type of ratings whether the configuration is up to date, and then you have to close it. Means we have to complete it. If you complete it, you will get the option like that. Yes, all ratings, all status of the steps is green, yellow, red. And if it is green or sometimes it is yellow comes as well, so it looks okay that you have done your activity. So this is how the monitoring setup is done for every system. And uh, and as per data collection, it will give the status in your monitoring UI, which comes as a system and application monitoring. If you go in manage system, if you go in a solution manager work center, and you will get the status of the respective systems, instances, databases, and the hosts. You can also refer my old videos for system and application monitoring in 7.2, which you if you want to know how it looks like. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and if you like my video, please like it, subscribe it, and please share this video with your friends and request them to subscribe for new updates and new videos on SAP Solution Manager as well as the ALM by SAP Solution Manager. Thank you so much for watching my videos.